Before you start your Airbnb business, I really want you to understand some of the key factor, and today we're going to go through some quiz just to make sure that you understand the basic of Airbnb and short-term rental business. Now, I ask some of this question to my clients and they don't know the answer to it. So actually, if you do and you understand it, it doesn't matter if you've already invested on Airbnb and short-term rental business, this is really going to help you. So without further ado, let's start the quiz. And by the end of this, please make sure you comment down below how many answers you've got right. Obviously, it will help you further process your short-term rental investment. So round number one, we've got 3 questions. The first question is, what is Airbnb primarily known for? So are they selling a package travel? Are they renting cars? Are they renting vacation homes and accommodations? Or are they selling airline tickets? So I really want you guys to understand and just give me the answer. You can even comment down below as you're going through this video. So once you've gone that, let's go into actual number 2, and I'll go through the answers right at the end, and I'll also explain you through the process behind it. The second question on getting started is, before you start an Airbnb business, what is the first thing you should do to ensure your legal compliance? Do you A, set up a bank account? B, do you check the local laws and regulation? C, do you hire a marketing consultant? And D, register a business as an LLC. Again, think about the questions, go back and watch it, and you've got 4 options to answer it through. And the third question on this round is, what does the term superhost refer to Airbnb? Is it host with exceptional cooking skills? A. B. Is it host with high numbers of social media followers? C. Is it host who's got excellent guest reviews? And D. Is it host with luxurious home? Round number 2, which is preparing your space. Now think about, you've got a unit on Airbnb, and this quiz questions are related for you to be preparing your space. First question is, what does it mean to stage your Airbnb space? A, is it to decorate the space with the items that reflect the host's personal taste? B, is it to prepare the space to make it more appealing and welcome to the guest? C, to add excessive amount of furniture and clutter? And D, to look out at certain of the space to give them off limits for the guest. So question number 2 in round number 2 is, how can hosts create a comfortable sleeping environment for guests? A, is it by providing sleeping bag instead of regular beds? Is it using scented candles to create a relaxing atmosphere? C, by offering a variety of pillow and blankets to suit different preferences? And D, by keeping the temperature of the room very low. The last question I want to keep in this is, why is it important to communicate house rules clearly to the guest? A, to discourage guests from asking questions. B, to prevent guests from feeling welcome. C, to manage guest expectation and avoid misunderstanding. And D, to increase the chance of getting negative reviews. Well, I hope you've got now 6 questions that you need to answer. It's quite basic, but you'll need, these are the things that a lot of time people don't understand why they are investing on short-term rental business. And we're trying to put this together for our clients. We're trying to put 100 questions ready for people like yourself. If you haven't invested on short-term and Airbnb business, I want you guys to just have fun while you're learning. Hopefully in my channel you can see we try and create new videos for you guys purely so that you can understand the process. So now this is round number 3, which is going to have two questions around marketing your Airbnb. So question number 1, what are some of the effective ways to optimize your Airbnb listing to search visibility? A, using misleading titles to attract more clicks. B, providing inaccurate information to generate curiosity. C, writing a clear and descriptive title with relevant keywords. And D, hiding important details to surprise guests upon arrival. The second question in round number 3 is, how can social media be utilized to promote an Airbnb listing? A, by creating fake accounts to post positive reviews. B, by spamming various social media platforms with listing links. C, engaging with potential guests and arriving attractive photos. D, by only posting negative reviews competing properties. Round 4, managing guest experience. So we've got 2 questions left. The first question is, how can host handle situation where guests violate the property rules and policies? A, ignoring the violation to avoid confrontation. B, politely reminding guests for the rules without any consequences. C, enforcing appropriate penalties or contacting Airbnb support. D, allowing guests to set their own rules during their stay. And the last question is, what should host do if a guest complains about noise from neighbors or surrounding area? A, deny responsibility and ask the guest to handle the situation on their own. B, offer a partial refund to the guest without addressing the issue. C, ask the guests and offer to discuss the matter with the neighbors if necessary. D, ignore the complaint and hope the noise issue resolves on its own. I hope you have all the answers ready, and I'm going to give you all my answers now. So question number 1 was, what is Airbnb primarily known for? It's C, renting vacation homes and accommodation. Question number 2 was, before starting your Airbnb business, what is the first thing you should do to ensure legal compliance? It's B, check your local laws and regulation. Question number 3 was, what does the term superhost refer to on Airbnb? It's C, host who have received excellent guest review. After that, we've now gone into question, which is, what does staging mean in your Airbnb space? The answer to that is B, prepare the space to make it more appealing and welcoming to the guest. Question number 5 was, how can hosts prepare a comfortable sleeping environment for guests? And the answer to that is C, by offering a variety of pillows and blankets to suit their different preferences. After that, we've asked, why is it important to communicate house rules clearly to the guest? Again, it's answer C, which is to manage guest expectation and avoid misunderstanding. Question, which was, what are some of the effective ways to optimize your Airbnb listing for search visibility? Was C, writing a clear and descriptive title with relevant keywords. And the last 2 answers were, how can social media be utilized to promote an Airbnb listing? The answer is by C, by engaging with potential guests and sharing attractive photos. And lastly, what should host do if guest complains about noise from the neighbors or surrounding area? C, which is, speak to the guest and offer to discuss a matter with the neighbors if necessary. So guys, I hope you enjoyed another GrowYourBnb video. I would love to do more of this. I actually want to create a series of this and go through some of the activity around Airbnb and short-term rental business. Look, our channel is all about making you guys learn as much as possible about Airbnb and short-term rental business, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please make sure you are hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will be back with another video soon.